Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Welcome to your social studies class, grade 1. And in today's class, we will be continuing with the topic that we started yesterday. So, basically, in last class, we started with a new unit, a new topic that is about neighborhood, right? So in last class I told you that why we are studying this topic, because social studies, this subject is all about society, societal norms, societal issues, societal practices. So neighborhood is one of the important part of society, where you live, where you work, everywhere you have a neighborhood, right? So that is why it's important to learn about it. So in our last class, we discussed what is neighborhood and what are different types of neighborhood, right? So who is going to define neighborhood for us? Yes. What does neighborhood means? Hurry up. What does neighborhood means? A place where people live or work together, right? I told you that a neighborhood can be of a school, it can be of a building, it can be of your home, it can be of yours, right? So everything have a neighborhood. So the area where you work, where you live together, whatever surrounds you, whatever comes in the close vicinity of that is the neighborhood. Got it? Okay. Then we also discussed different types of neighborhood. Can somebody name that? Very good. The first was the difference between small and big neighborhood, right? Okay, what was the next type? Noisy and peaceful. Very good. And there was another one as well. What was that? Dirty and clean. Excellent. So, how many of you have revised it at your home? All of you? Very good. I also ask you to observe your neighborhood and tell me in which category you lies, right? Okay. Now, in today's class, we will discuss that what is the difference between the village and city neighborhood, because village life is very much different from the city life. So that is why the neighborhoods are also different, because people's lifestyle is different, so neighborhood will also be different. So we, in today's class, we will discuss what is the difference between city and village neighborhood. So in order to discuss that, first we have to look for how people spend their lives in city versus in village. Okay, so in order to understand that, I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this interesting video about the city and village, so we will watch it together and then we will discuss the neighborhoods as well. Okay, so show me a thumbs up if my screen is visible. Is it visible? Okay, great.
Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you the difference between village and the city life. So let's go to the city life and find out what's there to see. Oh, big buildings and skyscrapers. Big offices, banks, hospitals, and everything is available. There are a lot of lights around, but there's a lot of traffic as well, and noise, which creates a lot of pollution in the air, and the noise pollution as well. But then there are amusement parks and all these entertainment places to go to, so it's a good family life place. But then there's the city life, the street life, where you can find all sorts of people, some poor, some rich. Then there are big malls, shops and stores you can choose from. And the hotels, the restaurants and cafes, so many places to go to. That's the city. Look at the village now. Let's see what's there in the village. Small buildings, small houses. Here and there a little bit of banks and stuff. Less traffic, so less pollution. A lot of farming. A lot of plain fields and organic things. With kettles. Great sight to see, all organic and natural beauty. Oh, then we can go to the farmhouse and grow some vegetables and have a bonfire. And the evenings are so peaceful under the stars. And we can always go camping. But actually, that's about it. A little bit of farming, organic life, but it's still fun.
Okay, so you have seen the major differences between the city and village, right? So through the lifestyle, you will get about the neighborhood as well. Now, let's say when they tell you or when we discuss that city life has a lot of hustle and bustle, people move towards cities to find good jobs, find good institutions, education institutions, to find good lifestyle. So according to that, when we talk about city neighborhood, because people are in search of good institutions, good lifestyle, so in city neighborhood, we have big buildings, we have a lot of houses, we have schools, colleges, hospitals, parks, right? In comparison to that, if we talk about the village neighborhood, so because in villages people do not have that much advanced lifestyle, there are no big schools and big buildings, there are no big shopping malls, there are no good resources, right? So that is why village neighborhood is very much different from the city neighborhood. Now how it is different in villages, what you will be find in neighborhood, you will find the some houses, you will find farms, you will find cattle, farmhouses, right? So in this manner, why I have shown you this video about city and village life, because the neighborhoods are made by the people's lifestyle, what type of lifestyle people follow, what type of lifestyle they do. So according to that, their neighborhood varies. Like I told you that in cities people have a lavish life, they have good institutions, they have good resources, they have all the facilities. So according to that, their neighborhood is also different, right? But in comparison to that, villages do not have all of these things. So village neighborhood is different. Got it? Okay. Now, what I want you is to tell me, what do you observe in city neighborhood, like wherever you live? What do you observe in your surroundings? First, you are supposed to tell me that, and then tell me that when you visit your village, what type of differences you find there. So you are supposed to write, or you are supposed to tell me the differences that you have observed, because whatever we have discussed so far, it was general things, right? That city lives, there are big buildings, there are schools, colleges, that's all. You will specifically tell about your neighborhood, what is your neighborhood in the city and what is your neighborhood in the village. So you will be telling me the difference between the two in detail, okay? So just take a moment, think about it, that when you visit your village, what type of neighborhood do you see, right? And then what type of neighborhood do you have right now in your city life, and then write down those points in the form of bullets. Let's say if you have a school closer to your house, you can write just the name of the school. If you have a shopping mall, whatever, just write their names, make up bullet points, and then discuss it with me. Hurry up, let me know when you are done. Yes, all of you are done. Show it to me one by one. Very good. Excellent. Okay, now what is your home assignment? You are supposed to draw the pictures of that. One would be of city neighborhood. Let's say make a house, then draw some buildings which are closer to that. And the next is draw a village neighborhood as well, right? This is your home assignment. You are supposed to draw both the city and village neighborhood and then bring it into the next class. I'll see that. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.